Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. This error occurs when you try to multiply a sequence, example, list, tuple, string, by a float number. Sequences can only be multiplied by integers, not floats. For example, if you have a list my_list and you try to multiply it by a float value 0.5 like this, when you run this code, you will get this kind of error. You will get the type error can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float error message because you are trying to multiply a sequence by a non-integer, i.e. float value. To fix this error, you need to multiply the sequence by an integer value, or convert the float to an integer if possible. For example, let's run this code. Here is the results.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.